Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you which opportunities we can find on the markets for the next days. Before starting, subscribe not to miss the next videos, leave a like and leave a comment. It's very important to me to know your opinion about videos, what you think about the topics, okay? So my pick remains on gold. Yesterday I made a video and I said that for me there were two possibilities. The one where the price was filling, okay, this major structure here, major resistance at 1825, and rebound a little bit before going up, or the breakout. Okay, so it happened. We had a breakout and the price is rallying towards the 1850, and now it's at 1862, or even better at 19. So why I pick gold? Because I think that at least for day trading there are many opportunities. Okay, so what we may expect for the next days? Again, I got two possibilities. Follow me. I am a trader, so I analyze the market this way. And the first possibility is the price filling this price structure here on our left at 1869, okay, and then rebound and fall and retest this major support, okay. The previous resistance, it may test it as support zone, okay, at 1825. So we will see the price dance a little bit between these two levels and then going up or break it down. Okay, so those are the possibilities. Or even better, we can see the price continue to rally and reach the 19. So for me, those are the two main realistic possibilities. Of course, this is not a forecast because the markets are unpredictable, but this is what I expect from the gold. So leave a comment below, let me know what you think, don't be shy. I'm open to any discussion or idea on the price action or even on fundamental. Okay, so for today is everything. Stay tuned, bye bye.